Coral Building Systems is one of the country's leading manufacturers of custom-designed, pre-engineered metal buildings.
The education I had to get was an engineering degree from Pennsylvania State University, and I had to get my engineering training certificate, which basically is a test you have to take, and then after 5 years of experience working underneath a licensed engineer, I could go take my final engineering exam and get my engineering license.
I would say geometry, helping with finding the angles on the pitches of the beam. And
So here at Coral Building Systems, I am the marketing manager, and my daily activities include generating content for our social media posts, as well as website analytics, as well as maintaining any sort of consumer interest in our products or services. I work closely with the sales team to make sure that we use the information accordingly.
I guess I would say my main purpose here is to make sure that all these buildings that we're shipping all across the United States get put on trailers with everything that's put on the trailers, and it's all complete. We use systems like scanning everything. We have scanners for each load to make sure that we have all the parts that are supposed to be on each trailer. And then when they come out here to me, we load with the forklifts and we put them on customers' trailers or put them on our own trailers to ship wherever they're needed to go.
Many jobs and levels of education, and when they all work together, they're able to create one common goal to manufacture a product.
It's pretty cool to think that I'm part of a part of this system. As in, it's pretty cool that we get to build buildings and they get sent everywhere and all over the nation and into Canada, which is it's really cool.